The spirit of the Great Wall. Long ago, in the heart of ancient China, a small village rested between green hills and rivers. A young boy named Li Wei dreamed of protecting his homeland from danger. One day, imperial soldiers arrived, carrying the emperor's command. "A great wall shall rise to guard our land for generations," the commander announced. Though only 15, Li Wei stepped forward with courage in his eyes. He left his family behind, determined to serve his people. The journey to the northern frontier was long and filled with hardship. Hundreds of workers camped beneath the cold stars, ready to build history. Among them, Li Wei met a kind girl named Mei who brought food and hope. She told him stories of dragons that guarded China's spirit. Together, they worked side by side, stone after stone, day after day. Slowly, the Great Wall began to rise from the earth like a mighty serpent. From the top of a tower, Li Wei looked out proudly over the land. "For our children," the workers sang, "we raise this wall." But one night, black clouds gathered and a terrible storm struck. Lightning shattered the sky. The wall trembled and began to fall. Amid the chaos, Mei was trapped beneath heavy stones. Without hesitation, Li Wei rushed through the storm to save her. With one final push, he freed Mei but was buried beneath the collapsing wall. When the storm ended, Mei placed his chisel upon the wall in silence. Years passed and the Great Wall stretched farther than anyone dreamed. From the heavens, it looked like a sleeping dragon guarding China. Travelers walked its length, whispering tales of courage and sacrifice. A boy and his grandfather stood upon the ancient stones one evening. "It's alive," said the boy, feeling warmth beneath his hand. "Yes," the old man smiled. "It lives with the spirit of those who built it." The Great Wall became a symbol of unity, hope, and strength. Even today, people come from around the world to see this wonder. They see stone and earth, but inside it holds human dreams. For true strength, like the Great Wall, is built by hearts that never give up.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more stories.